So yeah, let's chop it up, get the butchering beginning. Leave the shell as it is intact. We'll try out some bits. Do the shell at the base, take the main out, do some little bits maybe. Stock weight 77 grams. The non-destructive mod is 67 grams, so we're hoping for 60. Let's hope. Let's get your glasses so you don't go blind. Where to start? You can take out this side bit of this. I don't think we need it in this one. We'll trim it up with the drill in a minute anyway. This is just taking out the main plastic and then we'll come and tidy it. Right, we can trim out a bit around here, I think. So we've trimmed like inside this part, we can trim that out. Right, I think we've pretty much trimmed out a bit here. We're going to maybe take a little bit out of the back actually on the drill. I'll put it in a minute. That's looking pretty light on it. It was 8 grams, maybe 4. Okay, fine. A few grams out of that there. That's pretty tasty. So it was 8, so a few grams like that for sure. Nice. That's what it weighs. We're in 16 before. Maybe a gram off it, but not much. Right, let's weigh this like it's like this so you can see what it's like before we cut the base. Probably take this side up to the edge here as well. We're talking about taking some out the front. We can take a bit out the front plate of the skaters, but you don't get too much because you got these mounting points. Alrighty, let's weigh the base up. So basically, that's what we're putting back in. Rotate it like so. That's what you mean. You go there for now. You probably put it at the top as well if you wanted. Oh, I'm putting thin skates in them, but these are Artisan Sports. They're tiny. You could put any dots on if you want, or you can still put the full ones on, which we'll weight with. We'll measure it with them, weigh it with them. You ready? Just feel pretty light. What's the balance like? Originally the balance is here. That's where the natural balance was. So it's not changed it much. It's slightly further forward. I'd say it's more like there, and the normal one was like there. So I was going to go for 68.5 with the normal feet, and I'll go 66. Damn. Okay. It's pretty tasty, that. Okay, it's better than I thought it was going to be. Now 61.